Alright, welcome back to this channel. This is a Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so as you already know, what we do in this platform is that we teach Jamb and university aspirants how to pass. We also help them secure admission and help them pass Jamb freely without stress. Okay, so if you're a Jamb or if you're a Jamb university aspirant, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button. All right, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload any amazing video just like the one you are watching right now, it will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so if you want to join our community, you message me on WhatsApp. I will add you to our WhatsApp update community. All right, where we'll be getting information. All right, so today I'll be looking at how to locate Jamb Center. Well, I'm here again. I'll be looking at how to locate my Jamb UTME exam center. So that's where we are. So we are looking at how to locate Jamb exam center. So we all know that this thing has been a major problem to some Jamb candidates. So they don't even know their exams. They don't even know their exam center, and they don't even know how to locate their exam center. All right, so that's why I'm here today with this update, or with this content, or today with this video, to teach you guys how to locate your exam center before your exam time. Of course, we all know that you must know your exam center to avoid missing your exam. Let me tell you one more thing you don't know about Jamb. See, if you miss your exam out of your own carelessness, Jamb will not reschedule you for exam. Let me repeat myself again. If you miss your Jamb UTME examination out of your own carelessness, mark it now that Jamb will not reschedule you to write again. Don't feel like this one is just like secondary school. If I miss the exam, they will reschedule me. I will write again myself. No, they are not rescheduling you again. The only time Jamb will reschedule you when you miss your exam is when they have technical glitch. When Jamb have technical challenges, that's when Jamb will reschedule you, because they know that they are the cause. It is on their own end. Anytime Jamb have any issue about their technology, they will reschedule you to write. But to say that maybe you came to your exam center very late, you were slaying, came to exam center very late, you did not go there on time, you know that the exam is here and you left it, your time is 9:30, and you stay in the house eating, like you even start leaving your compound around that kind of 9 o'clock. Now you stay as God may have it, you enter traffic. Before you know, getting to your center is around that kind 10:30. Oga, madam, unless the only thing that will make you to write is only when maybe the first set that entered before you guys, that they are not yet done. Maybe they didn't upload questions on time because of network challenges. They didn't upload questions on time. So once questions is there, then you understand. So that's when they will allow you write. But to say that 9:30 has been in the hall since and you are coming by 10:30, you have missed your exam and you forfeit the exam. Right? Jamb is not like WAEC and every other examination conducting bodies that you know. Understand? So that's why I'm here for you. So I will teach you guys all you need to know about Jamb so I don't make mistake. So now we're talking about how to locate your Jamb UTME examination center. So what you will do, as we all know that Jamb is coming on the 19th of April. Jamb UTME examination is coming up on the 19th of April. That's when the exam is starting, 19th of April. So before then, you will do your reprinting of slip, reprinting of photo card slip, so that you will know your exam center, your exam time, and as well the date of your exam, because we all know that it is not everybody that is going to write on that particular day, which is 19th. The exam is 19th to 29th of April, so it is not everybody that is going to write on that day. as we already know. Understand? So your exam might fall on the 20th, might fall on the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and all of that. Understand? It might equally fall on that 19th. Understand? So we have 6:30 session and 9:30 and 11 o'clock and all of that. Alright, so that's how it is. So how you locate your exam center now is after reprinting your exam slip. After reprinting your exam slip, you will check the address there. You will check the address on your slip. Then that's why Jamb made it in an easy way this period. They made a provision where students can choose their examination time. So they all believe that before you choose that your examination time, you already know at least almost everywhere in that time. So whenever they post you anywhere, they just within that your time, you can locate it on time. So that's why they made that provision. You understand? So now, so you have to take, if you see the center and the center is a place that you don't know, my dear, you have to pay transport to look for that center with that address provided there. Pay transport. See, even if it will require you to waste more money, just it's not a waste. Pay transport, look for that center. You understand? Look for that center and be sure that that is your center. And if your exam is by 7 o'clock in the morning, make sure that you are in your center 6:30. Don't go there late to avoid stories that touches the heart. Alright? Go there on time. Be there before your time. You know that you are already there. If they are delaying, you know that Jamb is delaying, and once they delay and they didn't give you guys the exam, they will reschedule. Definitely they will reschedule you guys. But to say that you missed the exam out of your own carelessness, Jamb will not reschedule you. Bear it in mind. No matter who your father is, they will not reschedule you. Alright? So that's what you would do. That's what you would do, okay? Then you pay transport, locate that your center, know that you have seen the center, then you go home. The day of your exam, then you go back. Even if you don't know the center, you ask questions. Direction, they put the address there. Sir, did you know? Ma, did you know this place? Did you know this place? Did you know this place? How do I get to this place? From here to here is how much? From here to this one is how much? You make sure that all those things that you will do that day of your exam, do it the day before that exam. Go and know your center before your exam day. Don't wait till that day before you go. Alright? Know your exam center before the day. So don't wait till that day of the exam that you are going before you go to say, my exam is 6:30 now, let me start going by 4. I will know your center first. Go on time. So I believe that if you have gotten any value from this video, please help me and hit the subscribe button. Alright, so you're not paying for it, just hit that subscribe button. So like this video. If you have any question you want me to answer, you let me know in the comment section. I believe here is where we'll be ending this class for today. So as you already know, this is the end. So we already know we keep winning. In our dictionary, there's nothing like lose, there's nothing like failure. In our dictionary, we will always keep winning. Alright, so until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget that I love you guys. Alright, so shout out to my subscribers, shout out to those that have subscribed to this channel. I love you guys. Until I see you guys in my next video again, keep winning.